Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so I will do today a video on miners. So we have Clean Spark. Let me see here. It's been a while. I didn't check it out. So we had a potential wave one, not a nice one. I'm pretty much sure it's going to fail. Even though I try to be positive, but you can only be positive so much. Okay, so very messy price action. It's I don't feel comfortable calling this 5-way up. They're all about the same length. So I call maybe this is a messy. I just call this an A, a B, and a C. Honestly, for a bigger wave one, and for the moment it's working out. We do have an A, we do have a B. It reacted honestly on a level where a wave B can work, and now it's still going down. We don't have really any signs that it's done with this correction. We had something here. Let me enlarge a little bit. So we have two touching point, very weak trend, and yeah, it did broke momentarily and then it came back. So I feel like leaving this trend here because the bodies are there, stopping the price action. Also, we had the MA50, so I had a lot of pressure to the downside, and let's see now how it's going. Being a little bit positive, I was also checking for a possible wave one, and this could have been a wave two. But now you can see that probabilities start to be very low, because here we should have had some more convincing price action to make it work. So I'm not sure about it. Now, Dmgi also, this is another coin. If we keep doing this, it's going pretty much to die. And did had another version here of still giving a chance, but charting shouldn't be about giving chances. So it's, not great at all. The only thing you can see I saw, like I can see a little bit more bullish would be that we did, yeah, here we did an A, a B, and a C for the wave one, and I put the wave two here. But maybe I am wrong, and maybe let me remove that. Maybe I'm wrong, and this is the A. I'm sorry. Let me start back. So this is the wave one. This is the A. We had overshooting wave B, and now this is the C. That could possibly make sense. So let me go and check here now. I want to just check the level of this possible wave C. What are the levels that we reached? I'll take it a bit lower. Okay, so setting for wave B. So I think we reached the 1.38 maybe. Can erase these ones. Yeah, between the 1272 and the 138. And yeah, and now the pressure is definitely down. You see, this is a very convincing one. And also this downtrend did broke, but now we're using it as a support. You can see here. So now what's left to see here? Was this the... Trying to figure out. I think this, I don't need it anymore. Yeah, this was for this allegedly maybe a wave, but I honestly don't believe in it anymore. But what I want to do now is okay, so if I take, but I think this is going to also be inconclusive. take the length of this A wave and put it to the B wave. Prematurely clicked. Okay, so wow. Okay, so this for a moment it's indicating that this C wave could be finished because we are bent on the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C, and actually now I want to remove that scenario and actually put this one here, an A, a B, and this is the C. Actually, yeah, I'm going to remove that. And I believe now this is the second wave. Okay, so that give a little bit more chance to the chart, and definitely if we go much lower, then that's the deal done for that one. Hive, let's see, Hive, come on. Hive is still playing within a range of possible B waves, so for the moment we are still okay, but we are, this is another coin that is not doing great. Could I just call this an A, a B, and a C eventually? And you can see for the green count, this is actually what I did. And let's see how it works out. But if we go below 0.786, this is going to fail as well. Hot, hopefully hot it's holding. I did tell you I was expecting a little bit of a lower price action still. The reason is, since it didn't go as deep, so it's allowed to go a little bit lower. I do find that this is, respecting a 5-wave down, third wave, very steep, fourth wave, reacted to the perfect level, actually twice, and now I believe pressure is down now, so we can still afford to go a little bit lower. 26.01, 24.52, 23.23, and 22.81 are the levels I'm checking. Also, MA200 approaching. Actually, now it's at the 0.618 fib retracement. Mara, ho ho ho. I think I'm going to go on the 4 hours now. Okay, so diagonal for the wave 1. Now the thing is this finished or we're still going down? That's the problem with it. So I was trying to count something more bullish, but it's still work in progress, right? So these two now, for the blue count, is it done or we're still working on it? It's still unclear, and honestly the price action, it doesn't look good. And as you can see, I know it's a little bit messy. Let me move around so now we can. I think this was a very short count. I'm going to take it out. So you can see if I enlarge now, this could be still the C wave working on, and yeah, 1-to-1 ratio 11.92. The 0.618 was 17.07. We are kind of in these levels, I mean before, and now we're pushing lower. So to me now it's pretty much obvious. I'm going to maybe put the 0.76 just in case if there is a level of reaction there, but I do believe we're going to go to 11.92. Would it be a nice entry point for that, for this thing now? Let me see. So A, B, C for wave 1, this wave 2, and this could be another 1, 2 possibly. So yeah, it could be interesting, but we need to be very, very careful because yeah, miners are not doing great. Riot honestly is not a bad, right? Because it is resisting. It actually made decent 5 wave. Where is the 5th wave? Are you serious? I put it in text. Wow, that was a very, very long time chart. Because yeah, sometimes I do put text because I'm not sure if it's going actually to work out. So 5-way up, not the best one, but the third one is the longest one. We had a decent fifth wave, and also the pullback. We had an A, a B, and a C. So this I'm very satisfied with this one too. Now the problem is actually there is no problem for the moment. Can I count? I mean, this is not impulsive, and I could say, okay, this was the 1, this was the 2, this is a 3, a 4, and a 5 for wave 1. Let me relabel these little guys. Actually, okay, so that would make this a wave 1, and this was an A, a B. So I do believe here we are still going a little bit lower, and perfectly fine with that. I was hoping MA200 to go higher, but yeah, clearly that didn't really go because we moved on the side. So this still have a good potential though. Very messy chart, but at least it didn't got invalidated. And you can see that if I zoom out, we are holding, and this very long-term downtrend, now we are holding it as a support or trying to. So that's very encouraging. Now NDA, I did tell you before I didn't find the correction was finished, and I did tell you even if it did go, you know, into the waters of a fourth wave, too short. Look at this second wave, how it was long, right? And also this potential extra 1-2. So yeah, so for a moment I should change these ones though. And yeah, so for a moment I'm still convinced that there is still some room for lower prices. Let me check here. So now we are testing currently this downtrend line. Let's see how it works out, or if it doesn't. And yeah, we do have this A, B, and possibly this is the C. 1-to-1 ratio now. We did reach it, and you can see that it acted as a support. We can go lower, and yeah, so next level we can check is the 1-2-3-6 extension wave A, wave C, 163, and look at that, 0.5 fib, 162. And yeah, Bitfarm, forget about it. Do I want to even touch this chart? I'm not sure. I have a friend who's heavily invested in this one. I mean, I could call this a 1, and this is A, overshooting with B, and a C reacted to this level, but you know, nothing working. You know, this is corrective, so good luck. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Well, I say good luck, but just because, you know, there are better charts out there, so don't. It's not even at a good level, okay, just to be clear. So if a wave is here and then you are there, fine, okay, you know, there is a potential for uptrend, risk is very low, let's go for it. Here, no. All right, so just wanted to explain before just saying good luck. All right, okay, bye.